That actually probably looks pretty cool at night. Let's go ahead and time out this impending winter storm here in North Texas. It will begin early Thursday morning as a light wintry mix. We could see some slick spots developing, but I am expecting temperatures during the course of the late morning into the afternoon to be just above the freezing mark. That wintry mix will pick up as we head into Thursday afternoon. If we do see any travel issues, they'll be more likely to our north, where temperatures are a little colder. Now, as the atmosphere cools late Thursday into Thursday night, I expect that wintry mix to change over to snow in many areas, and road conditions as a result will go downhill. And as the snow tapers off on Friday morning, there are likely to be some significant travel issues with what has accumulated on the road surfaces. At least we're not going down into the deep freeze anytime soon. You can see temperatures here by early tomorrow morning, 27, 30 early Thursday morning, 32 early Friday morning. This would be the concern early Saturday down to 24 degrees. So we'll get a pretty good refreeze out there early Saturday morning, and then the sunshine Saturday afternoon, along with the work that the road crews do, should cause things to improve. High was 39 today, morning low 25, well below the averages for this time of the year. We're in the low to mid 30s at this hour, ranging from 32 at McKinney to 37 in Arlington. Humidity at 50%, and that northeast wind, still a biting wind out there, kicking those wind chills down into the 20s. Look at this. Chilly air has overspread much of the country, from Minot, where it's only 0 right now, down to Tampa, Florida, where it's only 46, 43 in New Orleans, and 30 degrees at this hour in Atlanta. Looking at the regional satellite, it looks like there's snow falling, but this is coming from the clouds several thousand feet above the ground. The air from at least 10,000 feet all the way to the surface is very dry. So these snowflakes are being eaten up by that dry air. They're not going to reach the surface. We'll stay dry right through Wednesday. Developing storm here in extreme southwestern Arizona is going to continue to dig and push southward into northern Mexico. That is going to allow for some warm air to get in here over the next 24 to 36 hours, up around 3, 4, 5,000 feet. And that's why we're calling for a wintry mix through much of the day on Thursday. Tomorrow, no problems. Partly sunny, should see highs up around 40 degrees. And then the light wintry mix starts out early Thursday morning, likely before sunrise. That will continue as we head through midday, leaning a little bit more towards snow the farther north you go, the blue colors, and rain to the south and southeast of the Metroplex. Through the afternoon, it's still likely a wintry mix in the Metroplex with snow to our north and northwest. And then as the atmosphere cools, notice the blue colors moving southbound. That changes over to snow Thursday evening, Thursday night, into early Friday. And then it should taper off by about midday in most areas on Friday afternoon. As a result of the multiple changeovers and precipitation types, the snowfall accumulations are going to vary considerably. The highest amounts from roughly northern Denton, northern Collin counties to the Red River, where 3 to as much as 6 inches could fall. A 2 to 4 inch accumulation in the northern Metroplex out west towards Bridgeport, Wise County, up towards Bowie. 1 to 3 inches from Dallas and Fort Worth down probably into Cleburne and Waxahachie, and then farther south, lighter amounts, generally an inch or less. We start out at 27 early tomorrow morning, 36 by lunchtime, reach an afternoon high of 40. Again, we are going to continue to get new weather data here tomorrow, so stay tuned as the forecast will likely continue to evolve and change. 34 is Thursday's high, 36 on Friday, and then over the weekend, again, we'll see a big refreeze early Saturday, but thawing out and melting quite a bit this weekend with highs in the 40s.